Hi, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls.
Today we're going to read a non-fiction story. If you have an adult around you, can you please tell them what non-fiction means? Finn, can you tell our friends what bug we're going to be reading about?
A ladybug.
A ladybug. Our story is called A Ladybug Larva Grows Up. What is a ladybug larva? A larva is a baby ladybug. Ladybugs are insects. Insects have 6 legs and 2 feelers. Many insects have wings. All baby insects are called larvae. First, a mother ladybug lays her eggs. She usually lays them on the bottom side of a leaf. The yellow eggs are sticky. This holds them in place on the leaf. Here is a picture of a mother ladybug laying hundreds of eggs. Here's the eggs. After about 5 days, the eggs on the leaf begin hatching. Out come the larvae. A ladybug larva has 6 legs and no wings. The babies are hungry. They soon begin eating tiny insects called aphids. Here is a picture of ladybug larvae eating aphids. Aphids are these teeny tiny bugs.
Those ones? Mm-hmm. Can I see?
The ladybug babies...
Can I see the big one?
Yep, just a minute. The ladybug babies begin to shed their skin as they grow. This is called molting. After about 10 to 14 days, a larva attaches to a plant or twig. It stays very still. A ladybug larva usually molts 3 or 4 times.
Can I see?
Suddenly, the larva's skin seems to split open. Out comes a ladybug pupa. A ladybug pupa has a hard shell and does not move much. The ladybug is getting closer and closer to being a grown-up. A ladybug pupa attaches itself to a plant to finish growing. What's going on inside a pupa's shell? The ladybug is changing. It is beginning to look less like a larva and more like an adult. After about 5 days, a pupa's shell splits open. Out comes an adult ladybug. And here is a picture of an adult ladybug coming out of its pupa shell.
How can it do that?
You can't see the ladybug spots at first. They become clearer over time. Soon the new adults will lay eggs of their own. Different kinds of ladybugs have different numbers of spots.
It's the same kind of ladybug has the most.
The end. I would love for you to, hold on a second, write 3 facts that you learned from that story in your writing journal. And if you want, I would love to see them. So go ahead and take a picture of that page and post it on our class stream. I miss you guys.